this video I'll be showing you how to attach receipts to expense entries. So under the expense and expense entry screen, you have at the bottom here a receipt field where you can choose your file. Select the file and it will upload once you click Save and New. And you can see here the magnifying icon will show you a preview of the receipt, and you can download the receipt from here. And to delete the attached receipt, you can go ahead, click Edit. The details will come up to the top here, and you can click on the delete icon to remove it from the expense entry.